Hello everyone, good morning to all. Today is Friday. In this period, we'll study math. As you know, the last day we have solved exercise 11G. Our last day's discussion was on multiplication in measures of length, and we knew that the multiplication in measures of length is similar to that of ordinary multiplication of numbers. Now today, we'll solve exercise 11H. The topic is same, multiplication in measures of length. But all the multiplication have been mentioned in the form of word problems. Under exercise 11H, 5 word problems been mentioned, you can see. So all the word problems are based on the multiplication in measures of length. Clear? An example you can see given on this page, on page number 168. 2 meter 65 meter of cloth is used for a shirt. How much cloth will be used for 8 shirts? एक शर्ट के लिए 2 मीटर 65 मीटर क्लॉथ यूज़ होता है। तो 8 शर्ट बनाने के लिए कितना शर्ट्स लगेगा, कितना क्लॉथ लगेगा, तुम्हें ये ढूंढना होगा। तो 1 का दिया हुआ है, 8 का ढूंढना है। तो ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम अगर दिया हुआ है तो तुम्हें मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर निकालना पड़ेगा। मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट इज़ द ऑपरेशन. You need to operate the problem using multiplication. Clear? So the example you can see here, the calculation already been given. So just observe the example. Now let's move on to the first word problem of exercise 11H. What is the question? Ram walks 7 kilometer 413 meter in a day. How far will he walk in a week? Similar type of question. You know that there are 7 days in a week. 1 week means 7 days. तो 1 डे में, एक दिन में 7 किलोमीटर 413 मीटर वॉक्ड बाय राम. एक दिन में जो डिस्टेंस राम ने कवर किया है वो है 7 किलोमीटर 413 मीटर. तो एक वीक पर कितना होगा? एंड यू ऑल नो that 1 week means 7 days. We need to convert a week into days. So 1 week means 7 days. And the distance covered by Ram or walked by Ram in 1 day is 7 kilometer 413 meter. So let's arrange this distance into 2 columns. 1 kilometer and meter. The number of kilometer is 7 and meter is 413. So this distance covered by Ram in 1 day. And what will be the distance walked by Ram in 1 week? That means we should multiply the distance by 7. Okay, so this is the procedure. Now we can find the calculation. The product will be the answer. Let's start multiplying from the meter column. 413 meter by 7. 7 3 is the 21. 2 is left. 7 1s are 7, and this 2 should be added. So 7 plus 2 equal to 9. No extra number. 7 4s are 28. So 28, the rightmost digit of 28 is 8. So 8 should be put in the hundredth position in meter column, and this 2 should be carried. This 2 should be added. We should add this extra 2 with the product of kilometer. What is the number given in kilometer? 7. Multiplier is also 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and this 2. So 49 plus 2, that is 51. So 51 kilometer, 891 meter. That is the distance covered in 1 week, in a week by Ram. So the final statement is very important. You must mention the final statement that 51 kilometer, 891 meter distance walked by Ram in a week. Clear? Or you can write that Ram walks 51 kilometer, 891 meter in a week. Now move on to next word problem. Question number 2. A ribbon is 9 meter 85 centimeter long. The length of a ribbon is 9 meter 85 centimeter. Okay, so we got the measurement of length. What is the length of 5 such ribbons altogether? एक का दिया हुआ है, 5 का ढूंढना है. So I repeatedly telling you that when you see that the price or the distance, length, and time, whatever given for one thing, and the question asks that what will be the answer for 5, 8, more than one things, then we should multiply the numbers. Okay, we should multiply. So multiplication, this process should be applied. So what is the length of a ribbon? The ribbon measures 9 meter 85 centimeter. Meter and centimeter, these two columns should be arranged. So meter and centimeter. Write meter, 9 meter and 85 centimeter. Okay. And the question is, what is the length of 5 such ribbons altogether? 5 such ribbons, similar, same ribbons. So multiplier will be 5. Now you can multiply. Multiply centimeter by 5, 85 centimeter by 5. 5 5s are 25, extra 2, 5 8s are 40, and these 2, that means 42. 4 is left. 5 9s are 45, and this 4, 45 and 4, 49. So 49 meter 25 centimeter. This is the total length of such 5 ribbons. तो एक रिबन का अगर लेंथ 9 मीटर 85 सेंटीमीटर होगा तो 5 का कितना होगा? 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके जो प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट? The answer of a multiplication is called product, and that would be the answer. And you should write down the answer as the final statement that the length of 5 such ribbons is 49 meter 25 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now move on to next question. Question number 3. Sneha needs 5 meter 27 centimeter cloth for a dress. Sneha is a girl. She needs 5 meter 27 centimeter cloth for a dress. How much cloth will she need for making 9 dresses? 9 ड्रेस बनाने के लिए स्नेहा को कितना क्लोथ चाहिए? तो क्लोथ का मेजरमेंट कितना होगा, लेंथ कितना होगा? अगर एक क्लोथ को बनाने के लिए 5 मीटर 27 सेंटीमीटर क्लोथ चाहिए, 5 meter 27 centimeter cloth is needed for making one dress. Okay, 5 meter 27 centimeter. Arrange the number into meter and centimeter, these two columns, and then the question tells that how much cloth will be needed for making 9 such dresses. 9 dress बनाने के लिए we should multiply. To get the answer, we should find out the product. 9 sevens are 30, 63. 9 twos are 18, and this 6 will be added with 18. So 18 plus 6 means 24. 2 is left. 9 fives are 45, and this 2 47. So 47 meter, 43 centimeter. This is the length of cloth that will be needed, that will be required by for making 9 dresses. For making 9 dresses, Sneha needs this measurement. Okay, this measurement of length, 47 meter, 43 centimeter. Okay, now move on to next question. Let's solve the last one. 5. 4 is your job. Not only 4, all the word problem, all these 5 word problems should be solved, and must use your math copy. So the calculation, okay, if you do not show the calculation, then you will not get full marks in exam. Okay, what is the question number 5? A taxi runs 227 kilometer, 440 meter in a day. The distance covered by the taxi in one day is 227 kilometer and 440 meter. How much distance will it cover in 6 days? एक दिन में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है टैक्सी ने? This taxi runs 227 kilometer and 440 meter. So kilometer and meter, these two column we should arrange. So 227 and 440, and the multiplier is 6 days. So 1 day पर इतना, 6 day में कितना होगा? Multiplier is 6. So write 6 as multiplier, and then multiply. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24, and these two 26. So just write 6. The leftmost digit of 26 will be carried, and that should be added with the product of kilometer. 6 sevens are 42, and these two 44. 4 is left. 6 twos are 12, and this 4. 12 and 4 16. 1 is left. 6 twos are 12, and this one 13. So 1364 kilometer, 640 meter distance covered by the taxi in 6 days. Okay, this is the answer. So I hope that our discussion was understandable. Multiplication, this is the process. So in your exam, as I told you earlier, that in your exam different types of word problems will be given: multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. But you need to understand the meaning. You need to identify the exact process, the appropriate process, that is multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. Okay, so recognition of the operation is very important. You should recognize that which operation you need to apply. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a good day.